What is up, y'all? So before we start this video, I would like to say thank you for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Make sure y'all do that. But the main reason why I'm talking before the video is because my dude Wrong Angling has reached 200 subscribers. So just want to congrats on him and shout out to him. His link will be in the description below, so check him out, subscribe to him. Let's get him to 300 subscribers. So let's do it, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. So let's get to fishing. It's just some dock fishing. Sorry about the handling on that last fish there. It slipped off the bait, so I mean there's nothing I can really do there. But I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy. We tried kayaking that day, but didn't work out, and it was really windy, so audio was really bad on it because of the wind. So I hope y'all enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe, and let's get me to 100. We can do that. And get Wrong Angling to 300. He's at 200. Let's just boom him up. So y'all click that. Oh, I can't speak. Y'all click that link in the description below. So let's get it. What is up, y'all? We're doing a little bit of dock fishing today. We got something. Oh my God. It's a big one. It's a big one. Dude, this thing is a monster. Oh my God. Please stay on. Don't jump, don't jump. Oh, it's coming to me. Oh my God. Oh, snap. All right, guys, we gotta land this thing. No. He's on one trouble. He's on one trouble. Yes! That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's a fat one. It's a fat one. Hey, calm down. Square bill crankbait, baby. Look at that monster. Look at that monster. Yeah, he wasn't going nowhere. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, let's get a release on this big donkey. About 4-pounder. Let me see. Man, wish I had a scale to weigh him, but I don't think he's a PB. He's a big one, but I don't think he's PB. He's biting me now. All right, guys. There he goes, back in the water. Let's go. All right, guys, it's actually the next day. Super windy. May not go back out on the kayak unless it cools down or we get a nice fish, and I just feel like going fishing on the kayak. But wind and kayak, that's where the kayak's worst enemy is. Oh, and we got one. First cast, baby. Let's go. Oh, snap. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab it. Whoa. What kind of fish is this? Is this a... Hold up, stop. This is nice. Yeah, this is a largemouth. Ooh, why? Rinse it off here. It's cold water. Yeah, we got another largemouth bass. I hope y'all can see that. First cast. Let's throw this guy back in the water. Sorry about the wind. Whoop! There he goes.